Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Faisal bin Nasir and I am currently passing Bachelor Science in Computer Science and Engineering at Daffodil International University. I am passionate about the technology and the software development. Since childhood, I have been curious about how computer and technology work and how they can be used to solve real world problems. This curiosity encouraged me to those computer science and engineering as my field of study. At Daffodil International University, I am learning various aspects of computer science, including programming, database management system, software engineering, computer network, and data structure and algorithm. Those subjects have helped me build a strong foundation in both theory and the practical computer skill. I also practice in various programming content such as takeoff, unlock algorithm, prompt engineering content, and others. I have experience with programming languages such as Java, Python, and I am constantly improving my coding and problem solving ability. I also use tools such as VS Code, GitHub, Microsoft Office, and Canva for academic and project work. Uh, one of my notable academic experience was practicing in a group project on education and technology in Bangladesh. In this project, I contributed to videography research, equipment handling, and team coordination. Through this experience, I developed various commercial teamwork and the organizational skill. Uh, in addition, I have worked on software related projects, including an online business card system using Java. Those projects have helped me streaming my program knowledge and gain practice experience in software development. Future goal is becoming an architectural intelligent engineer. I am highly interested in the artificial intelligence, and the machinery language because I believe those technology will transform the future and create innovation and solution to the application where the constantly improve my the technical skill. My long term object is develop an intelligence system that can make positive impact on society and contribution to the technology achievement. To continue, I am dedicated learner, a prisoner technology interest, and a movement problem solve who is always eager to learn a new thing and take on new challenges. Um, Thank you for watching my video resume. I am look forward to future obtaining where I can contribute my skill, knowledge, and passing while continue to growth professionally. Have a great day.